Global street food adventures dives into Bangkok's neon night markets, where steam, spices, and stories mingle at tiny stalls. A veteran vendor shows pad Thai stir-fry and talks about its birthplace on river boats and the balance of sweet, sour, and salty. In Mexico City, taqueros spin al pastor onto sizzling spits, while soulful salsa tunes echo through cobbled lanes. Fast friends share bites of barbacoa and crisp tacos, as families recount how tacos stitched together celebrations across generations. The journey ends in Hanoi, where pho-simmering broth carries family recipes through dawn kitchens, inviting viewers to taste memory itself.